Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw XRP from your Tangem wallet and transfer it to MetaMask in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're preparing for trades, staking, or just reorganizing your portfolio, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets ready. Tangem Wallet is a top-notch hardware solution for keeping your crypto safe, while MetaMask is your go-to for managing Ethereum-based assets and more. Note that XRP runs on the XRP ledger, so we'll need to handle this transfer carefully, possibly using a bridge or wrapped tokens for compatibility. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your device and ensure it's connected to your hardware. Navigate to the XRP asset in your portfolio. Step 2. Select the Send or Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient address, so keep that handy. Step 3. Switch over to MetaMask in your browser. If you're dealing with XRP, make sure you're on the correct network, perhaps using a bridge like a wrapped XRP token on Ethereum. Copy your MetaMask wallet address from the account overview. Step 4. Paste that address into the Tangem Wallet Send field. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Always verify the address format. Step 5. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and review the transaction fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to network upgrades, but keep an eye on them. Step 6. Confirm the transaction on your Tangem device. You'll likely need to approve it with your hardware key for added security. Step 7. Sit tight and wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, head back to MetaMask and refresh to see your XRP arrive. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP from Tangem to MetaMask in 2025. Remember, crypto security is key, so use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.